Disclaimer, this video is only for entertainment purposes only. What's up, Kia Too Technical? So as you can see, the kind people over at Sling TV Box, they were kind enough to send me over their Express 4K Plus. This is the brilliant 4K picture in vivid color. This is the S5 Max. So we're just going to get this unboxed and I will demonstrate to you how this will work on your TV if this is something that you're interested in. First, let's go to their website so we can see how much this will run you if you were interested in getting it. Okay, I don't know how well you can see that, but this will currently run you $299 plus tax. But if you go pick it up right now, you can save $50 USD. So they have the Sling TV Box S5 Max, which is the one I've got. And then there is two different other prices on that device. So now let's get this device unboxed and let's see what it has to offer in the box, and then I will demonstrate the setup. So let's get this open here. Okay, so first you are greeted with the TV box. This is very thin and lightweight. As you can see, you do get your USB, you get your SD card slot. On the back here, you get your other cables. As you can see, you get your HDMI. This is for if you want to use a LAN. You get your AV output, and then you get your USB for charging, USB-C for charging. But this is very nice and lightweight. This will not take up a lot of space if you decide to use it. So this cable here will plug into this slide here. If you want to use it like this, you can use it like this. Get that cable. This is your charging plug. This is how you would charge the device up. This is the cable for charging the device. You do get the remote, of course, and then you get a HDMI. So if you have a TV, a smart TV, or a TV with HDMI, you can just connect it into your TV like so. And then you get the user manual guide. So pretty much it has Wi-Fi 2.4, USB 3, HDR 10-bit, 3D and 4K. And then, like I said, it is showing you how to connect everything. It's pretty much what I showed you right there. So let's put that back in there, and let's put that back in there, because we won't be needing those pieces there. And let's get this thing connected, and then I will show you, walk you through some of the things that it has on the box. But first, this is what your little remote is going to look like. It does not come with batteries, so you will need 3 AAA batteries. I mean, not 3, you'll need 2 AAA batteries, but you get your power button, you get your power button, you get another power button for the TV, your share, I believe this is like a share button, you get your volume up and down buttons, You get your TV button, your video button. So let me see if I have any batteries, because if not, then I cannot test this out. But I do have batteries. Try to keep batteries on me at all times, because you never know when you'll need them. So we're just gonna plug up. I'm gonna just connect these batteries in like so. So you'll know what kind of batteries. It doesn't matter what kind of batteries as long as they're AAA batteries. As you can see, the light is coming on because that lets me know that I have batteries. So just bear with me. I'll be back with a demonstration. Okay, now we gotta hit agree. Sorry about that. I know I was rambling, but this is a good way of me to make this video so you can see and go through the mistakes I made. So if you decide to get this for yourself, you'll know what you can do and can't do. But as you can see, these are some apps that you can currently go and download. So you have to be in the App Store. The reason why I was unable to get those is because I hadn't read the information and I wasn't in the right area for App Store. But now I'm in the App Store. Now we can test out some of these channels and see what it's all about. So I'm going to do that one. Let's get My TV for Adults. Let's download that one. So you can get your Kodi, Nord. You can get your Nord VPN. As you can see, you can have YouTube and Facebook. Viva TV. Never heard of that, but we can come in here and just download. You could come in here and download all these apps if that's something that you are interested in doing. Like I said, this is just a test. I'm not gonna say run out and ditch your cable, because that's kind of not right. But this is just me showing you how to use this if you were to pick one up for yourself. Like I said in the beginning, this is only for entertainment purposes only. The company wanted to this is some of the apps that you can get and download. So I don't know that I need NordVPN just yet. I don't know what Viva TV is, but we'll just go on and just download as many of these as possible. And then we're going to go back out and see if we can get these up and running so I can test the quality of what it looks like. And then I can wrap up the video. So now that we currently have those open, so look, ooh, okay, so boom, you get all your movies with my mod. Almost like having a Netflix, I guess. You can come in here. I guess these are ones that you can, oh, boom, Netflix movies. So this is Netflix without having Netflix. You get all your little Netflix, stuff, boom, just like that. Just because you have this box, you get all of these movies. Let's go back to home real quick. Take it back home. Let's go back into it again one more time. Let's load it again. Hold on. Let's see what else we can get in here. So you can go on the App Store, or you can go on your the Google, and probably download other kind of apps to run on this. So you can get your Marvel Studio movies, Pixar movies, your Disney, your Hulu movies, your HBO movies, AMC movies will be on here. All of this right at your fingertips. Have you a good little movie night going on. So this is your home. Settings. Search. So these are, if you click in movies, it's going to pull up all of the movies that you can go on here and watch, which is not bad at all. Okay, let's go back to the home screen. like I said, there go your browser, and then this is your app store right here. So I can come in here, and then I could come in here and just go download some more. So I'm just gonna download majority of these just so I can have access to everyone. I don't know what BTV is, never heard of it, but might as well download them since they're right here. But I do hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.